case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the realm of drug manufacturer liability law, a landmark case in 1988, Brown v. Superior Court, probed into the responsibility of drug manufacturers for injuries caused by defects in their products. The spotlight fell on diethylstilbestrol, DS, a drug ingested by expectant mothers to prevent miscarriage, which engendered a wave of lawsuits by numerous plaintiffs insisting that the drug had harmed them in utero. These cases were deemed complex litigation in an effort to expedite resolution and conserve judicial resources. The crux of the issue was whether the drug manufacturers could be held strictly liable for the alleged design flaws in DES, or merely accountable for failure to adequately warn of known or foreseeable side effects. An additional point of contention was whether the defendants could be held jointly and severally liable for the total judgment amount, rather than solely for their proportionate share based on market share. The rulings made in a separate case served as binding legal precedents on these complex issues, which impacted at least 69 related lawsuits, with potentially more to come. Taking a sharp deviation from the trial court's verdict, the Supreme Court ruled that the drug manufacturers could indeed be liable for not just for known side effects of DES, but also for alleged design defects. However, the defendants couldn't be held jointly liable for the full judgment. The liability instead was limited to their respective market share. In line with the Sindel's market share theory, breach of warranty and fraud claims were struck off from the plaintiff's course of action. This blocked the plaintiff's pathway to demonstrating that damaging misrepresentations were made to them, and that they were consequently harmed. In the final decision, the Supreme Court upheld the appeal court's ruling and dismissed the petitioner's request for a rehearing, thus leaving an indelible mark on how the law would tread on the territory of drug manufacturer liability in the future.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.